The next phase in the interiors process is interior design. When speaking about interior architecture and interior design, the analogy we like to use is if we flip the home upside down, the things that would fall out, which are essentially the movable fixtures in your home, falls under the scope of interior design.
Our architecture tells a story that's crafted with thoughtful intention, so we want to make sure in this phase we're selecting elements that are crafted with that same level of attention. At this point in the process, our team knows you really personally, but we want to make sure that we understand every last detail, so we send out one last interior design questionnaire.
The main goal with the interior design questionnaire is to define your project scope, budget, and your overall design preferences.
We start with a themes presentation that uses reference images to explain our intention for each space within your home.
Once we've reviewed our themes presentation, that kicks off our design sourcing and selections.
We can even go as far as selecting art, accessories, and decor. But every piece that you ask us to select for you, we want to make sure is custom to your family's needs. While we're always designing and thinking of your project holistically, we do our part to make sure that our presentations aren't overwhelming, and we break these down into digestible chunks.
Prior to every presentation, we ship over all samples related to your project so you can see and feel all the textures and materials that'll be going into your new space. When making selections on your behalf, we're constantly juggling a million things. We're considering your wish list, budget, lead times, sustainability, design layouts, scale of pieces, and ultimately how they all work and contribute in the new space. Every piece that goes into your home is an expression of the maker who made it.
So we want to make sure that we're working with makers who value ethics and sustainability above all. In this phase, we're constantly leaning on the relationships we've created from New York City and our design network.
Being based in New York City really positions us for success.
This community is a constant resource for inspiration and to expose us to new products that value quality and craftsmanship. We don't stop at just the selections. We also work with our clients to make sure they have the most seamless purchasing and installation process as well. And when it's appropriate, our team is also available to design custom pieces.
Oftentimes, we tape out the proposed furniture selections in the new space so you have a better understanding of scale and how each piece works together.
While procurement can be difficult, we use a product management software as a key tool to make this a lot easier. This allows you to track status and budget and ask any questions you might have about specific pieces. Additionally, we'll make sure that the pieces are purchased and stored so that they're ready for you on move-in day.
Our team prepares for install day months in advance to make this day as exciting as it can be for our clients. We coordinate with the receiving warehouse, movers, and even have a finished carpenter on site to make sure every piece is placed perfectly as we designed. Our team is there to witness the magic and excitement of our clients moving in, and it's a beautiful reminder of why we do what we do.
Thanks for following along with the interior phases. If you want to learn more about our architectural phases or the entire modern home design process, jump over to our channel.